Fight His MMA is here in Virginia Beach with Dr. Campbell. I know some of y'all know this doctor, but if you don't, you about to find out who he is right now. Tell me who you are, Dr. Campbell.
I'm Dr. Campbell. I do sports medicine practice here in Virginia Beach. I specialize in knees and shoulder injuries, especially sports injuries. We see athletes of all kinds with all types of injuries. And what I tell you today, the first thing you need to take care of is your head. Make sure your head is clear before you go back to fight again. Otherwise, it will be much easier to get knocked out again, and you may have long-term consequences.
Weight cuts. Give them some. Tell them something about the weight cuts, please.
You're going to have to be careful with the weight cuts. You can cause kidney damage. You can cause heart damage. If you're too dehydrated, you can even cause brain damage that way by going too aggressively at this and then putting yourself into a violent situation. So you have to do it in a responsible way that doesn't compromise your body physiology.
If we could give them good advice on how much time should they have in between fights, whether they have a severe fight or just you know what I'm saying, one that might be end quickly for them, what should be a time limit for them to maybe?
Well, I think that you have to, first of all, be assessed after your fight to see if there's been brain damage or brain injury. That would be a direct impact on how long they want to take off before they come into contact. Obviously, sparring or doing just aerobic training and workouts is different, but if you sign up for another fight too soon, then you can be at risk for something called a two-concussive syndrome or post-concussive syndrome, where if you have two concussions in short order, you could have permanent brain damage.
So even when they think they was not hurt in a fight, they should still get checked out before they go into another fight.
It would be reasonable to check, at least with a trainer, to be assessed for any kind of brain injury that you might not be aware of, so that you're not compounding that by going back too soon.
Well, thank you so very much for your quick quip for our MMA fighters and boxers, Dr. Campbell. And Fight His MMA will be back here to see you again. Thank you.
All right, thank you.